Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to tell time in Finnish. Kello, clock or time. Tunti, hour. Minuutti, minute. Sekunti, second. Aamu, morning. Iltapäivä, afternoon. Ilta, evening. Yö, night. In Finland, the 24-hour format is commonly used. Now let's see how to ask for the time. Mitä kello on? What time is it? Paljonko kello on? How much is the clock? When telling the exact time, you simply state the hour followed by on. Example, kello on 6. 6 o'clock. To say the time when minutes have passed after the hour, we use yli. Example, kello on vartia yli 3. Kello on 15 yli 3. When it is half past the hour, use puoli to express it. This means half to the next hour. Example, kello on 7:30. It's 7:30. When you want to express how many minutes are left until the next hour, use vaille, means 2. For example, kello on vartia vaille 3. It's 2:45. Here are some more examples. Kello on 10 yli 5. Kello on 10 vaille 3. Kello on 12. Kello on 2. AM and PM are generally not used in Finnish. Instead, we use the 24-hour clock or express times based on the time of the day. To specify time of the day, you can say aamulla, in the morning, iltapäivällä, in the afternoon, illalla, in the evening, yöllä, at the night. If you're enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.